Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the I Still Got My Money TikTok trend. It's probably one of the shortest and easiest trends to learn, but before we get started, it would be amazing if you could just subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go with the first move. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now for the first move, what we're going to do is our right hand goes in front of us, and then our left one goes in front of us. Then our right one goes back, left one goes back. So all together, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after this, our right hand goes towards our left shoulder, and then the other way around. It goes back, and then our left arm goes to our right shoulder, just like that. So from the beginning, all together, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. And now we only have like about 3 moves left. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do a small jump. It doesn't have to be like a really big jump. It's not going to look good. Neither just doing like this. A really small jump. So it's going to be kind of like this. And then with our right hand, which is going to be in a fist, we're going to hit our knee. Just like that. So from here, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump. Perfect. And now we're going to jump again. So our leg goes down, and then it goes up again, and we're going to do the same jump we did before. So it's going to look like this. 1 and 2. Just like that. 1 and 2. Perfect. The important thing here is just not to lose your balance, and then apart from that, you're going to be okay. And then the move everyone is starting to do on almost every TikTok, it's this one. So for that, I'm going to explain quickly how you do it. But most of your weight is going to be on your left leg, and it's going to be bent. And then you're going to twist your right leg a few times, so it's going to look like this. And then your hands just go down. And that's it for this move. So we're going to do it. That's it. That's the whole dance. We're going to do it from the beginning twice. First slow, then fast, and we are done. So first, let's go slow. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump and jump and 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. And now a little bit faster, and that's it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it! Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I really hope to see you soon. Bye!